Okay, so going back to this website that the US government runs that tracks earthquakes around the world, I took this data from the last 7 days and the last 30 days, and I mapped out, I took the map points using the coordinates. I pre-mapped out the extreme ranges. So, where is this? We have a series of earthquakes up here. I didn't map out all these earthquakes, just the extreme points and then the larger ones. There doesn't seem to be much going on up here, but I'm going to take a look. This might just be weird stuff going on with the land, but then in the very center of all this is HARP. Then next, there's the British Columbia quakes. I'm pretty much just going to ignore those because everyone says they're HARP or whatever. There's already a lot going on with that. I am going to take a look and see what's going on there. I haven't mapped out all the quake sites. I've just again mapped out the extreme points. And then the center point one. And this listing is these all here all happened along with these. These are all from the last 7 days. Yeah, these are all the last 7 days. Anything over a 2.5 magnitude. These aren't all of them again, it's just the extremes. I'm going to be taking a look to see how things work along that way. And then these are what are called significant quakes in the last 30 days. Now for some reason I didn't get the main one in there. I'm going to add that. I obviously have to finish this one. But so there, I got them all mapped out to start with. This video is going to be a little quicker. I'm not going to have all the in-between times, just going to quick shots showing where the earthquake epicenter is, and then I'm going to be looking for these mining facility things that are showing up nearby. I've already found one tonight, so hopefully our fishing will go good, and who knows, maybe we'll solve a mystery. Alright, I've got the main one added to the significant quakes. These significant quakes is what they're being called on the government website. There's some all along this coast. Right now California is really hot right now. And through the center and along the east coast. Now the east coast doesn't really get a lot of earthquakes historically. Like, I'm sure it does happen from time to time, but as somebody who grew up in this area, I don't remember it being something ever discussed really. But anyways, I know down the south way they get a lot more trouble with like hurricanes and like tornadoes, that sort of stuff, but we get the tail end of hurricanes up here. Sometimes we get a good one, but I mean it's nothing major. So here are these points. These significant ones though are, according to this, it's anything above 3.9, a magnitude of 3.9 or above. The highest one is 7.8. That was the one in Quebec actually. That's weird. So, or no, not in the one in Quebec. Which one is this one? Masset, Canada. Where's that? Okay, hold on. Here we go. Oh, that was a huge, jeez. Alright, so the one the one out in Vancouver, duh, was the one that was the biggest. And until then the one in Maine was bigger. Oh, the one in California wins. California wins the biggest earthquake up until Vancouver award. So anyway, we're gonna go in and take a look at it. Yay for Google Earth. Alright, when you see these pins, those pins are where the epicenter is located according to government statistics. Working our way east towards west, because out west they get a lot of earthquakes, so it's normal. So we're gonna work out our way from where it's not normal. Now we have no idea what these things are, these mining operations, but they all share a similar characteristic in their equipment use, giant piles of dirt, and strange colored lakes. This one in Arkansas was pretty hard to find. Okay, where was it? Zoom. Oh, I lost it already. That's how hard it was to find. It's tucked into all this garbage. And by garbage I mean agricultural land. I'd almost say it's some kind of development, but then we find again the swastika machine thing. Pools of water, piles of dirt, piles of more dirt. And when we go down here further, we find little subsections of forest being dredged up. Looks like a butterfly. And there's where the earthquake epicenter was. And there's evidence of some kind of oil operation.